Here at Gigabit Access in Brussels, I'm joined by Steve Collins of Netcom Wireless. Steve, thanks for speaking to us. You've been hosting a session, and one of the subject points was fixed wireless access, the new broadband. So just tell us a bit more about that.
Well, fixed wireless is a real resonant topic here at Gigabit Access this year. There's lots of different panels and different panellists talking about fixed wireless. And this session was about whether fixed wireless access is becoming a new standard for broadband. And I think really the conclusion from the panel today was that while it's an evolving standard and there's lots of new products that are very exciting coming to the market, it's not going to be the all-encompassing miracle standard broadband that's going to replace everything. It's really just another exciting tool that lives in the toolbox that operators can pick from to solve problems in their areas and their networks.
It's often almost a forgotten tool, though, isn't it?
Well, it is. That's interesting you should say that, because fixed wireless access has been around really since WiMAX days. Netcom Wireless ourselves, we've been doing fixed wireless in the 4G space for, I'm going to say, 6 to 7 years now. And it's always been viewed as a niche product, something that's on the fringes, solving particular problems. But I think 5G is the compelling event that's happening now. Lots of operators, lots of suppliers talking about 5G, and fixed wireless is a use case that's very compelling for 5G, and so now it's becoming mainstream.
Yeah, as you say, it's very compelling. Just take us through some of the advantages for those hard-pressed operators.
Yeah, so for fixed wireless, it isn't, as I said, the gold standard for everything, but where it is quite interesting is around speed to market. Once an operator's decided, I'm going to do some fixed wireless, you can put up base stations. Then once you've got that cell up, any house or any person within that coverage area can get online very, very quickly without having to dig up the roads or put in fibre or what have you. So time to market is very fast, and also from a speed point of view, 5G looks quite attractive. So that time to market and speed are its advantages, not so much in the CapEx and OpEx, fairly neutral there. And then in terms of future-proofing and availability of resources to do the service, like spectrum, that's where it has some deficiencies. That's where it gets quite challenging for operators to run it as a service.
But it's very versatile, isn't it?
Fixed wireless is very versatile. You can use it for many different types of technologies. You can use it for massive machine, mission critical, and then the enhanced mobile broadband use case, which is around speed. That's the one that we've been talking about at Gigabit Access today. Very good for delivering broadband services through to a home or a person.
Steve, thank you very much for talking to us.
Thank you, it's a pleasure.